Look here, there is a small yellow dot. Let's insert the car key downward. You can easily shift gears in any situation. This is just an emergency function on your car. Your car has many emergency functions like this. Today, we will reveal them all. If the car key is out of power and can't open the door, don't worry. Let's squat down. There is a small hole on the door handle. We pop out the mechanical key. Aim at the small hole. Pry it gently. The lock cylinder will come out. Then we insert the key. Twist it gently. Then the car door will open. For example, if the brakes suddenly fail while driving, what to do? Don't worry. We just need to hold the electronic handbrake switch. Keep it tight so the vehicle can stop steadily. If you are trapped in the car and can't get out, what to do? There is a button on the back seat. We can fold down the back seat with one press. Then you can climb into the trunk. There is an emergency switch on the trunk door panel. You see this one? We can gently push it in the direction of the arrow, so you can open the trunk for emergency escape. Quickly collect this knowledge. I am May. Follow me. There is more car knowledge on the homepage.
You actually said my video was fake. Today I will show you how real it is. This is a new rear view lens I bought online for $2. This has a base. Align it with the base on the rear view mirror. Just press it lightly. The replacement is complete. Very simple. If you want to take it off, it's very easy. We just take out the car keys, aim at this base and push it outward. You can take off the old lenses. In fact, we can replace many accessories on the car ourselves. Today, I will tell you everything. If there is always a strong smell in the car or the air conditioner has poor cooling effect, don't worry. Let's open the glove box first. There are 2 small clips on this. We press it lightly. This glove box can be dropped. There is a small cover here. Take off this little cover. You can take out the old air conditioning filter element. My God, this air conditioning filter is so dirty. We buy a new air conditioning filter for $3. Install it back. The problem of the air conditioner not cooling and having strong odor can be solved immediately. The car key is out of power. The car door won't open. Don't worry. We pop out the mechanical key. Then follow this gap to open the back cover of the key. You can see the button battery. We remove the button battery. Buy a new one for $1. Install it back. The car door will open. Wiper blades will age after being used for a long time and will not be able to clean the glass. Actually, we just need to hold down the little black dot above. Push it up slightly. The old wiper blade can be removed. Then we buy a new wiper blade for $2. Aim at this little black dot. Press down. The wiper blades were replaced. How about it? Isn't it very simple? Follow me. Learn some car knowledge every day.
Look, the car keys are now locked inside the car. The car door can't be opened either. What would you do in this situation? Thief, get out fuck of the here. Someone said, find a screwdriver. Pry this car door hard. Very wrong. Not only will you break the lock cylinder, you'll also scratch the paint. It will cost several $1,000s to repair. Others said, I picked up a brick and smashed the glass so that the car door could be opened. Wrong. Very wrong. This smallest piece of glass is the most expensive. It will also cost several thousand yuan to repair. Today I will teach you a little trick. You can open this car door without spending a penny. Quickly double-click to collect it and forward it to friends in need. All we need is a roll of tape. Stick it to this glass. Next, watch me do it. Next, I will pull this tape down hard. Guys, let's see if this glass can be lowered. If it comes down, please give me a like. Look, the glass is down. Take out the car keys. Unlock. The car door opened successfully. Have you learned it? Follow me. Learn some car knowledge every day.